there was an altercation between him and ASAP Relly.
Yeah,
that
we
dates,
don't know
it,
right now.
It dates back to ASAP Yams. Apparently, what happened is
RP Yams, by the way.
Yeah, RP ASAP Yams, of course. What happened was ASAP Relly was upset. You know, Rocky is the face of ASAP.
Right.
You know, and Relly was upset that Rocky didn't pay for Yam's funeral.
Okay. Even
even though he did pay for Yam's funeral.
Okay.
So in his mind, he didn't pay for Yam's funeral, and they've been feuding back and forth ever since.
Mm-hmm.
And in this scuffle altercation, allegedly ASAP Rocky upped it on him and shot him. Right. And they have ASAP Rocky on camera with the gun in his hand.
If you see the footage is damning. You literally see them having it escalates quickly from a conversation to Rocky pulling out a gun, and allegedly he pulls out a gun and he's pointing it at him right there, and then they kind of get off camera, and then they have another set of footage where you don't see anything, but you hear the 4 shots go off, you know, and so they're putting together that those shots had to be let off from Rocky. And, for people who don't know, so Rocky, the actual plea deal that they offered him was 180 days in jail, county jail, in LA County Jail, with a 7-year suspended sentence over his head. Meaning, if he was to get in trouble, if he was to get any kind of trouble, he got a 7-year sentence waiting above his head. But this would also make him a convicted felon for shooting somebody, which is, you know, assault with a deadly weapon. Not the best thing, you know, to have on your record. So they're saying that Rocky turned it down because it would have ruined his endorsement deal. ASAP Rocky alleges that Rocky shot him and it grazed his knuckle. Now, grazed my knuckle. That's a hell of a lucky shot, but it does happen. Now, when the police initially did their investigation, they found no shell cases, right? Then ASAP Rocky apparently goes back to the scene with his girlfriend, and they find some shell cases and turn them over to the police as evidence. Now, I've been alive 30 years of my life. I've never heard no shit like this. The victim goes back to the scene and finds evidence for you what the police couldn't find.